In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save a Word document in Microsoft Word. Whether you're starting from scratch or updating an existing file, saving correctly ensures your work is safe and easy to find later. First, open Microsoft Word. You can create a new blank document or open one you've already started working on. Once your document is open, move to the top left corner of the screen and click the File tab. This takes you to Word's Backstage view where all the saving options live. Now choose between Save and Save As. Click Save if the document has been saved before and you just want to capture your latest changes. Click Save as if it's a brand new document or if you want to create a separate copy with a different name, location, or format. A quick tip, if you press Save on a brand new file, Word will automatically guide you to the Save As screen the first time. Next, pick a location for your file. You can save to this PC to keep it on your computer, or choose OneDrive if you want your document in the cloud for access across devices and easy sharing. If you need a specific spot, click Browse and navigate to the exact folder you want. Taking a moment to choose an organized folder now makes your document much easier to find later. Enter a clear, descriptive file name in the file name box. Use something meaningful, like the topic and date, so you can recognize it at a glance. Avoid overly generic names to prevent confusion down the line. If you need a different format, open the Save as Type dropdown. The default .docx is best for most users and keeps all Word features. Choose .pdf if you're sharing and want a fixed read-only layout that looks the same on any device. Pick .doc only if you must share with very old versions of Word that don't support .docx. When everything looks right, click the Save button. You'll know it worked when you see the file name appear in Word's title bar at the top. From here on, save frequently to protect your progress. The fastest way is the keyboard shortcut. Press Ctrl+S. If you're on a Mac, use Command+S. Make it a habit, especially before closing Word or stepping away. That's it. Your Word document is now saved and ready to go. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more Microsoft Word tips and tutorials.